Hello everybody, my name is Jose Saldana. I am currently taking BIM 2 this semester, and this is the video tutorial for week 2. And for this week I will briefly talk about section views and how to toggle between different views. And as you can see here, I just created a really basic house plan here, and just put some walls together, put some doors and windows just so you can get an idea of what's going on. Here's the floor plan, just basic, just put some walls there. So if I go to properties here in 3D view and I click section box, a little box will show up covering the entire house here, and it's pretty neat because once I select this cube right here, these little, I guess, arrows or toggles will show up, and this will allow you to kind of slice through the house in the direction that you want it to. For example, you want to go from top to bottom, you just select this top one here and just go down, and then once you deselect it, you'll see right there. I went pretty far down, but you get the idea. Yeah, and this is, I guess this can really help out when you're trying to present something. If you're trying to present this house plan to someone, and they want to take a look inside, you can just use the section view and you'll be able to see the different rooms, furniture, details, and all that cool stuff. And you can pretty much slice it any direction, from top to bottom, from bottom as well, from the side if you want to slice it. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. And then you want to slice it and just just look at it from one side there. But yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory from there on. But it's a pretty cool tool that definitely comes in handy. And just to mention the other quick tip here, if you're working in different pages, or if you're working the first floor and then looking at elevation and then looking at 3D, I think what I've found out that helps a lot is if you, instead of viewing the tabs, you can choose to have the tile views and just have everything show up here at the same time. So if you want to have the elevation view here, you can also have the 3D view here where you're looking at the floor plan, and it just really helps out if you want to look at different things at the same time, and if you need to, and I think it can really come in handy as well. But yeah, that's pretty much the video tutorial I had for you guys for this week, and I hope it was somewhat helpful. Thank you.